Cortina as well. We've talked about the 80s version. We've got something prior to that as well, making its way through. So these cars, you can see the Cougar you talked about and many of the others parked over the back. Often they're grouped with their with those that they're parading with here or in their various car clubs, for example. All of them lovingly maintained, and you can get up nice and close and check them out. So really cool, and it's, I mean, Wheels at Wanaka has a proud tradition, Tracy, as you know, of showcasing things that are agricultural, mining, construction, and so on. But we celebrate all things 4 and 2 wheels, don't we?
You're not going to find another show like it anywhere, are you?
I mean, arguably, it's certainly not in New Zealand, and it's in the southern hemisphere. It's a very unique, very rare thing. So super cool. 180 B's beautifully done.
Always wanted one of them. Always, never got one.
I had a high school friend whose elder brother had a 4-door, but had done it up with twin SUs and a little bit of work done to the 1.8 litre Datsun engine as it was back then. Here's a 240Z we were talking about. Welcome, nice to have you here. That car was out there before. Greg Murphy's son, in fact, Cormac, was in the passenger seat. That's a beautiful 240Z. Here's the Mustang you were talking about.
And a couple of beautiful Belliers as well.
57 Chevs, aren't they? So.
Is this a Rambler? It is a Rambler. Absolutely stunning.
And that's the thing about the owners of these cars. They're very approachable people. So go up and have a word to them. Have a little look at the car. And as we said before, if you're into doing a little bit of social media, share your day here at Wheels at Wanaka. We'd love to see it. Tag us if you can, please. You can easily find us on Facebook and Instagram, Wheels at Wanaka.